Hello guys, here is IST and welcome to a new market recap. This time on GBPUSD, we're gonna begin with the monthly time frame. And what we are seeing here is that monthly talk this high broke the high of this range, and it's somehow like in a divergence with what happened on euro, right? Um, on euro, this high was taken long ago, and on on euro, this high was taken long ago, like here, and on GBP was barely taken right now. And what I've noticed was that look how much did euro push, right? And euro did like broke those high also, like completely destroyed them, and GBP didn't came near, right? Like those high from 1st July 2021, and here didn't have like euro took them and GBP like it's a long way until there, right? What I've noticed also is inside here, February 21 was taken by June 21, right? And on euro didn't wasn't, right? February 21 wasn't taken by May or June 21. So this is a divergence. Well, considering this, I do expect euro to push a little bit higher and go for those highs maybe. Like especially when you look to this accumulation and then the strong break of structure. But yeah, now let's look on GBP. Well, GBP they didn't push with such a force to break the high, right? And yeah, like not much, not less, but it is what it is. So what we got? We got a bearish swing structure and a bullish internal structure with a bearish fractal that was invalidated right now. And yeah, like you know, not so clear, right? But what I'm looking at are those highs because yeah, basically euro took them, right? And it may happen that GBP will go also for them, or euro will push back. So we're gonna see from a monthly perspective. So GBP when looking with standard deviation, when using standard deviation, we see that the liquidity level match with the 75% of the last quarter. So it may be a target, this one, like literally I'm lying bullish right now, and this may be a target. So going lower on weekly, weekly it's clearly bullish, like no doubts. Swing trend is bullish, internal trend is bullish, and fractal obviously insanely bullish. Well, right now at this moment there is no distinction between internal and fractal, right? And as soon as we get a closure above this high, if we're gonna get a closure above this high. um, like I do expect a continuation. If we don't, will be um, um, a little bit more difficult. Maybe the price will go into consolidation, but yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. um, yeah, and also very important, this imbalance here happened on uh, 4 like 14 June 20, 2021. Is basically the same imbalance that happened, like that. It's in here, like this one, from here to here. Yeah, this one. So um me personally, I do think that the imbalance will get broken, but I do not know if this week, right? So right now we get a rejection from the order block on, but yeah, enough with the euro. I will make us another video on euro. You can see also the previous video was on euro, and yeah. So on weekly, it's like uh, bullish, and the price seems to accelerate. Of course, it it didn't have had it didn't had the momentum uh, like on euro, but yeah, it's still a lot of momentum. Just that the euro pushed above this high a little bit earlier. Um, but yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. So now on daily, this monthly range, I count it as I count it as a monthly range because basically this was the candle that inverted the structure into a bearish structure, right? Um, it's um, it's also a swing on weekly, a swing high on weekly, right? And this is a swing low. So on daily, what basically happened was that um, yesterday the swing was broken with a lot of momentum and also volume, right? So today the price decreased, the volume is low, most probably will push higher towards the imbalance. More like for now daily it's bullish, looking a little bit lower on 4 hour. 4 hour, it's like it's getting into a consolidation right now. uh it's it's normal in my point of view because a lot of liquidity was behind this high, and yeah, a lot of order are getting filled, and now it's like a battle. Will the price go lower or higher, in my point of view? So yeah, but because the liquidity above wasn't taken, you know, basically what price did was like after the opening got straight lower. And if you are looking, like, it's literally at 50% of this imbalance. And yeah, when measuring body to body isn't much, and when measuring week to week is not much also. So let's see um, if it's gonna take liquidity below this low. On euro it happened basically already. Liquidity was taken below this low, but also at the same time euro did push a lot higher than GBP. Yeah, not much, not little. I do expect the price to keep going higher. Um, let's see um, if it's gonna turn bearish, at least on 4 hour. Because to be honest, it's like it pushed it had a long way, like pushed literally a lot. Um, yeah, on intraday, maybe today or tomorrow, it's gonna be a trade or something. I'm looking at this level right now. This is a auto block and got some liquidity in here, but um, yeah, at the same time didn't happen a proper rejection, and 1 hour chart is still bearish. um, 15 minutes, it's a little bit confusing right now. uh, yeah, I don't know, it's like I'm looking to some shift in structure on 1 hour and 15 minutes or 15 minutes, uh, and then yeah, target basically this imbalance above. This is this is my plan. This is how I expect or think GBP it's gonna move. And then, it's hard to say what's gonna happen because there is no, like, not, neither on 4 hour, right? Neither on 1 hour. There is not no real POI. Like, maybe when measuring like this, the let's call it imbalance. No, 75% match with the liquidity below this low, but that's it. Not not more than this. So let's see what's gonna happen. There is a chance that the price is going to keep going after this. There is a chance that it's gonna get in a consolidation, and there is a chance that um, if daily closes in here, it's a chance for a reversal, but not really. yeah, like not necessarily a reversal, but more like a consolidation. So it's it's really depending how today is going to close. So at this moment, I am bullish on euro, on GBPUSD, but I do not have a real POI I wanna trade from. Like it may be this level, um, but yeah, it's a little bit confusing. So let's see what's gonna happen.